Hi guys, welcome to Money Line Tips. In today's video, we'll be looking at today's two odds in 1 minute. Okay, our first game today is in Belarus Zaya League, where Shakhtar Lagos is taking on FC Isloch, and our prediction is home team win at full time. Move on to our second game. Before I do that, I have a special announcement. We have launched our VIP platform where you get 5 to 20 odds on daily basis. So if you are interested, kindly check the comment section. You see a WhatsApp link where you chat with me privately. Please, strictly a paid platform. If you are not interested, do not click the link. Okay, moving on to our second game to make up our two odds today is in Bulgaria, Pava Liga, where Boro Stera is taking on Sportish Vosh, and our prediction is home team win at full time. And when you combine these two together, you give you a total of 2.13 odds. And I will leave the booking code at the end of this video. So remember to bet responsibly and also stay blessed. Thank you.